Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing one more topic. The topic is the chemistry of fatty acid, triglycerols, and phospholipids. So first we discuss about the chemistry of fatty acid. What is the fatty acid? The fatty acid is a carboxylic acid. First we discuss about the only fatty acid. What is the fatty acid definition? The fatty acids are the carboxylic acids. Is known as a carboxylic acid with side chain with a side chain of hydrocarbon. Carbon is known as a fatty acid. They are also simply, the fatty acid is also known as a lipids. Fatty acid is also known as a lipid. Simple definition, fatty acid is also known as a lipids. What is the literal definition of the fatty acid? Fatty acid is defined as a carboxylic acid with a side chain of hydrocarbons is known as a fatty acid. The fatty acid containing the how many hydrocarbons in the particular structure. For example, it containing the one carboxylic group. It containing the one carboxylic group. This is called as a carboxylic acid group. It containing the how many hydrocarbons? How many hydrocarbons? This is called as a hydrocarbons. So how many hydrocarbons? So minimum containing the 3 to 20 or 25 carbons, 20 or 25 hydrocarbons. How many CH2s are presented in their structure? So it containing the 3 to 25 hydrocarbons are there. So the next one, what is the examples of the fatty acid? Palmitic acid. Examples is the fatty acid. Examples is a palmitic acid. Palmitic acid. The palmitic acid containing the how many hydrocarbons? 16 carbons. 16 carbons along with the COH. The next one more examples is the stearic acid. Stearic acid, it containing the how many carbons? How many carbons means 18 carbons along with the COH. 18 carbons with the COH. So the what is the fatty acid? Fatty acid is a carboxylic acid with a side chain, or simple definition is also known as a lipids. It containing the carboxylic acid with a hydrocarbons. How many hydrocarbons? Minimum 3 to 25 hydrocarbons. Examples palmitic acid and stearic acid. So these are the fatty acid are divided into two types. Depends upon the double bond and single bond. The fatty acid are divided into two types. One is a saturated fatty acids, and second one is the unsaturated fatty acid. Saturated fatty acid, unsaturated fatty acid. What is the saturated fatty acid? These are the double bond. These are containing the only single bond. The structurally, the saturated fatty acid containing the only single bonds is known as a saturated fatty acid. Unsaturated fatty acid means it containing the double or triple bonds presented in the given structure is known as a unsaturated fatty acid. Saturated fatty acid and unsaturated fatty acid. So what is the saturated fatty acid? Having the single bonds is known as a saturated fatty acid. What is the unsaturated fatty acid? Double bond and triple bonds is present in the given structure is known as a unsaturated fatty acid. What is the examples of the saturated fatty acid? Acetic acid. Acetic acid is the example of the saturated fatty acid. What is the structure? CH3 COOH. Then next, what is the unsaturated fatty acid? It containing the double and triple bonds. Examples is the oleic acid. So the oleic acid containing the double bonds. What is the structure of the oleic acid? CH3 CH2 taken twice, 5 CH double 1 CH2 taken twice, 7 COOH. This is called as a oleic acid. In here double bond is there. So double bond means unsaturated fatty acid. So the next one, these are what is the nomenclature? What is the nomenclature of this fatty acid? Nomenclature of the fatty acid. nomenclature of the fatty acid. What is the nomenclature of fatty acid? For example, each each fatty acid contain the one carboxylic acid with a long chain, a long chain. So for example, CH2, 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 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and CH3. Here 7 carbons. So 7 carbons. The next one, it gives a numbering from the left side of the structure, and as well as the numbering given from the carboxylic acid functional group. Carboxylic acid functional group. So this one is a carboxylic. This one is known as a carboxylic, along with the hydrocarbons is known as a fatty acid. So these are all are the single bonds. All are the single bonds. Single bonds means how many carbons are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 carbons with a 1 carboxylic acid. 7 means hept or hept. 7 means hept. Carboxylic acid. Heptanoic acid. Heptanoic acid. Heptanoic acid. Heptanoic means what is the A? So all are single bonds means it suffix name is ane. Single bonds means ane. Hept, ane. The carboxylic acid is nothing like that. Oic acid. Carboxylic is known as nothing like that. Oic acid. Heptane, oic acid. Totally heptanoic acid. In case of double bond is presented at the any one of the carbon. For example, CH3, CH2, 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 COOH. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also how many carbons? 7. 7 means hept. All are single bonds, but in here one double bond is presented. One double bond is presented at the fourth carbon. So heptanoic acid. Heptanoic acid. So which position? Fourth position. 4 heptanoic acid. This one is a saturated. This one is a unsaturated. So the saturated and unsaturated decided depends upon the double bond and single bond. The nomenclature given from the left side of the numbering from given to left side of the structure, and as well as the lowest prior to the functional group in both structure. So what is the main difference between these both structure? Here all are single bonds, here all are double bonds. Single bonds means ane, double bond means ene. Double bond means saturated, unsaturated. This is about of the chemistry of the fatty acid. So the next one we discuss about the triglycerols. Second one is triglycerols. Chemistry of the triglycerols. What is the triglycerol? First we discuss about what is the triglycerols. Triglycerols are the esters of the glycerols with a fatty acid. Esters of a glycerols with fatty acid. The fatty acid containing the esters of the glycerols is known as a triglycerols. These triglycerols are divided into two types. One is the simple triglycerols. And second one is the mixed triglycerols. So what is the simple triglycerols? What is the mixed triglycerols? Simple triglycerols is defined as a containing the same type of fatty acids. It containing the same type of fatty acid. Acid is known as a simple glycerols. Examples is the triglycerols, and examples is the tristirene. Examples is a tristirene. Tristirene is examples for simple glycerols. What is the mixed glycerols? These are the containing the two or more. It containing the two or more different type of fatty acids are present in the given structure is known as mixed triglycerols. What is the examples of the mixed triglycerols? Examples is the acyl radical glycerols, acyl radical glycerols, acyl radical glycerols, acyl radical glycerols is examples for the mixed glycerols. So what is the structure of the glycerols? What is the structure of the triglycerols? So triglycerol structurally it containing the 3 glycerols, here triglycerols containing the R, O, C double bonded O, R, here O, C double bonded O, R. So in here in this structure commonly functional group, 3 functional groups are same. One O C double bonded O R, O C double bonded O R, O C double bonded O R. So same types of fatty acids are presented in the given structure is known as a simple triglycerols. This is known as a simple triglycerols. So in here, what is the definition of the triglycerols? Esters of the glycerols with a fatty acid. What is the fatty acid? R C double bonded OH, C double bonded OH, C double bonded OH, C double bonded OH, carboxylic acid with a side chain hydrocarbons. So here ester, what is the ester formula? R O C double bonded O R, R O C double bonded O R is known as a esters. Esters glycerols with a fatty acid is known as a glycerols. In here this one is a R1, R2, R3. The R1, R2, R3 is the alkyl groups. R1, R2, R3, R1, R2, R3 is equal to alkyl groups. Alkyl groups. They replace with the alkyl groups. This one is simple triglycerols. These simple triglycerols contain the same type of fatty acid. Same type of functional groups are present is known as a simple triglycerols. In case of different types of functional group is presented in the given structure of the triglycerols is known as a mixed triglycerols. What is a mixed triglycerol structure? It containing the same structure CH2 O C double bonded O R, CH again CH2 OH, here also O C double bonded O R. But in here R1, R2 have the same functional group, but in here third carbon having the OH functional group. So 2 or more different functional groups are presented in their structure is known as a mixed triglycerols. So what is the examples of the particular triglycerols are classified into 2 types, simple and mixed. Simple example this one. This structure, what is the name? Triglycerol. Only name is a simple triglycerol. Name is a triacyl glycerol. Name is a triacyl glycerol for the simple triglycerol. What is the mixed triglycerol example? 1,2 triacyl, 1,2 diacyl. So here 1, this one is the second carbon, this one is third carbon. 1,2 diacyl groups, diacyl. This one is the glycerol. 1,2 diacyl glycerol. This is the structure of the triglycerols and chemistry of the triglycerols. The next one we discuss about the one more topic. So the topic is what is our topic? Fatty acid is over, glycerol is over, phospholipids. So what is the phospholipids? The next one is phospholipids. So what is the phospholipids? These are the complex compound of the lipids containing the phosphoric acid in addition of the fatty acid or nitrogen base of the alcohol. So what is the phospholipid definition? The phospholipids is defined as a these are the complex compounds. These are the complex compounds. What is a complex compound? It containing the phosphoric acid. It containing the phosphoric acid, addition with the fatty acid and nitrogen base. So these are the phospholipids is a complex compounds. It contains the phosphoric acid along with a fatty acid and a nitrogen base of the base and alcohol base and all nitrogen base and alcohol is known as a phospholipids. The phospholipids are again classified into two types. Phospholipids are again classified into two types. One is the glycerophospholipids, and second one is the sphingophospholipids. Second one is the sphingophospholipids. What is the glycerophospholipids? The glycerophospholipids are containing the glycerol and alcohol. It containing the glycerol plus alcohol is known as a glycerophospholipids. Sphingophospholipids is nothing like that, containing the sphingosine and alcohol. Sphingosine plus alcohol is known as a sphingophospholipids. So what is the chemistry? The phospholipids, first definition, it is a complex of compounds: phosphoric acid, fatty acid, nitrogen base and alcohol. It divided into two types. One is the glycerophospholipids, sphingophospholipids. Glycerophospholipids, what is the definition of the glycerophospholipids? Glycerol plus alcohol. Sphingophospholipids, what is the definition? Sphingosine plus alcohol is known as a sphingophospholipids. So what is the structure of the glycerophospholipids? What is the structure of the glycerophospholipids? So CH2O, C double bonded O, R1. The next one CHO, C double bonded O, R2. The next one CH2O, P O double bonded O, again O. So this is the example for the glycerophospholipids. Example, say what is the example? Glycerophospholipid. Example, glycerophospholipids. Example, what is the name of the structure? Phosphatidic acid. Phosphatidic acid. The phosphatidic acid, example for the glycerophospholipids. So what is the definition of the phospholipids? The phospholipids is defined as it is a complex of compound phosphoric acid. So this one is a phosphoric acid containing a fatty acid. What is the fatty acid? It contains the carboxylic acid, COOH, and along with a hydrocarbons, phosphoric acid, and alcohol bases. Alcohol bases are nitrogen bases. So in here two structures are there. This one is example for the glycerophospholipids. Name is the phosphatidic acid. It containing the R1, R2 groups and as well as the one phosphoric acid group. So this is the example for the glycerophospholipids. The glycerophospholipids containing the fatty acid chain and phosphoric acid along with the alcohols and as well as a hydrocarbon chain. This is about structure of the phospholipids and chemistry of the phospholipids. If you have any doubts, tomorrow we will discuss.